If I look back at my trading journey, there were a few moments or a few key points that really made me a better trader and transformed my trading overall. And I want to share some of those with you today. What's up, traders? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. I hope you're doing fine. It's been a while for me to upload a video. I've been traveling, doing a big road trip here in Thailand for the past few days, and I couldn't record anything basically. Glad to be back today. I am staying at this hotel here near a golf court in Bangkok. It's really nice. I'll maybe do a room tour after. And some of you guys asked for me to show you my rooms and where I travel and stuff. This is a really big room. I'm really happy with it, and the view is just amazing. But let's get to the important stuff here with this video. And I want to share with you some breakthroughs I've had in the past, 3 of them, and a bonus at the end. Things that really made me a better trader overall, and things that really transformed how I do things in the market and how I've been able to progress in my trading overall. First things first, it's something I've been talking about a lot on the channel before, connecting with traders. And I've had a big impact on my trading by being able to reach out to traders, talk with traders around me, meet people in different areas of the world, and connect with people that were trading different things, sometimes the same thing, people that had the same vision, different visions, and being able to learn from these people. Now, it's something that affects, of course, your learnings and things that you know, but also affects your mindset and how you behave on a daily basis. If you're around people who are confident in the market, and if you're around people who know what to do in the market, you will start to feel the same way. You will start to feel more confident, you'll start to feel more secure about your trading, and you'll start to develop a lifestyle that are like these people. If you're around people who are, of course, not good at trading and are always complaining about the market or are always gambling in the market, your results are going to be the same, and you will be frustrated and pissed off the same. So what I did is simple. One day I just heard that advice of reaching out to people, doing the thing that you want to do in the future and achieving the results you want to have in the future. And I just started to email people, email traders that I knew about, that I was learning from online, people that didn't know me at all, and I was watching online. And some of them replied, some of them didn't reply. But overall, I got to connect with a few people. I got to do this over and over again, week by week, month by month, and was able to build a pretty big circle of traders that I know I can reach out to anytime. So if I have any question about anything specific, I can email someone, email a trader I know, ask that question, and get some advice really quick. And that's been really massive in my whole trading journey overall, to be able to connect with people around me and learn from people that knew a lot more than I did. The second big breakthrough I had in trading was a result of the first breakthrough, of connecting with traders. And I was sitting down one day with a trader that I knew in Canada, who had taught me many things before and was really good about the mindset part of trading. And suddenly he started to talk about the fact that you gotta be able to adapt to the market. And you gotta see trading as not just you trading setups and entering trades based on indicators and rules, but more so on phases in the market and looking at how the market behaves to enter trades. And he taught me this principle called the market phase that was popularized by Stein Weinstein, a trader that wrote a book about it. I'll leave a photo of the book here if you want. It's available in a few bookstores still today. And that really transformed my whole approach to trading. I was able to, from there, see the market in a different picture and not just trade indicators and rules, but more so trade the market and trade how the market behaves. If the market is trending, I would adapt how I trade. If the market is sideways, I would adapt how I trade. And that made a big difference on my results. My results before were like break even, slightly profitable, and they became much more profitable after that, after learning that lesson about the market phase and trading based on the market, not just indicators and setups. So that was huge for me, and I still use that same principle today, of course. Okay, the third big breakthrough came fairly recently compared to the other ones. I would say about like a year, 2 years ago. I learned about being aware of my emotions and my behaviors. So before I would just trade, I would be kind of affected by the day-to-day and things that would come up. If I had a good month, I might not be so good the next month. And those things were kind of bad overall for my trading, because I could not be like at the same level and top notch all the time. I would have these like ups and downs over time. And these were caused by emotion. I considered that my psychology before was pretty good and my mindset was pretty good for trading, but I was missing a key part in understanding and seeing my emotions. And I still had this issue of feeling like I was not good enough in trading and feeling like I was unable to perform at my best. Because I'm doing these videos on YouTube, because I share my knowledge of trading, that I had to be like really good and put a lot of pressure on myself to perform really well. And this would lead to some months of not so good performance because I was trying too much to be good in trading. What I had to do was to learn about my emotions and to learn about my feelings and my thoughts and how these would affect my trading. And specifically more, what kind of patterns and behaviors I had or I did that were unproductive for trading. And one big thing that I found was I was missing trades too much. And if I had a moment where not take trades when I was not sure about the outcome or when I was not confident in the trade. Now these trades could be good trades, could be perfect trades, but I was trying to be too careful. And of course, you know that being careful in trading is really good. It can help you save your accounts. It can help you build an account over time. But it's really hard to be too safe or too cautious and to get good results in trading. That's really tough over the long term. In the short term, you might save a few losses, but in the long term, you're preventing yourself from taking the trades you should take and building your account faster. So that was something I had to be aware of. All right, so I've already shared here my basically 3 big breakthroughs in trading, but the last one was what kind of tied it all up together. It was to learn how to change my behaviors and how to change my patterns in the market. I explained this example of missing trades and skipping trades too much. Now you can know about it and that's all cool and good. But the next step, the next level is being able to change that behavior and make a different thing the next time. Because often as traders we are stuck in these cycles that kind of come up and come up again that we cannot really change unless we really work hard to change them. That's when I got to work with Randy Howell. Randy is a trader psychologist who really helped a lot of traders understand their behaviors and change them to be able to get to a professional level of trading. I'll leave Randy's interview with me here in the corner if you want to watch it. I really recommend you watch this next. It's going to be a good video to learn more about your behaviors and things you do in the market and how to change your mind, which is not built for trading, but how to change it to be good for trading. So I recommend you watch this next. But what I learned there was being able to change my behaviors. And Randy has this exercise or this meditation or kind of exercise of looking at the cycle of your behaviors and what happens before you screw up and being able to change that. Now, the more you do this in your mind, it's like a visualization exercise. The more you do it in your mind, the more you can do it in real life and when you get to trading in real life. So it's a really good exercise to get to really be able to do that better. I believe it's only available in Randy's private coaching program, but I think that's totally worth it if you want to check it out. But definitely watch that interview, I'll link below here first. And that exercise, by the way, is something I still do today from time to time. When I have these patterns that I see myself doing from time to time, I go back to that exercise, visualize a little bit, and try to work it out and fix it for next time. So something that you can do for the long term as well. Alright, so these are my 3 big breakthroughs in trading. I hope you got some value out of them. Now I have a big travel day coming up and I'll bring you with me, of course. But first, let me share with you this hotel room here in Bangkok that's pretty cool and give you a quick room tour. Alright, so here's what we get from the entrance. So you have this section over here, which I'll show you after. And this part over here is the main living room. So you've got a table that's really messy now with my keys, wallet, everything around, water bottle, all good. So here's the kind of sofa. As you can see, it's really bright outside, so kind of looks dark inside, but it's pretty cool. A TV here, and outside is really cool. The view is really nice. Like I said, this is on the golf court, so you've got this massive, amazing view. I'm not a fan of golf, but if you like it, then that's really cool. You've got this kind of mini bar area here, which is pretty nice. Here you've got the bedroom. The bedroom is really, really big with the office over here. Or a kind of, not office, but a desk. Desk is nice, you can work here easily. It's pretty cool. And then you've got this other balcony here outside. With a nice view, of course. Okay, so all these sections, you can kind of close the doors, pretty cool, I like it. Then you've got the bathroom here with a pretty big bath. Then the shower, toilet, all that stuff is normal. Here you've got this other section with a other door that leads to basically just a mirror and a place to put your suitcase and things. So that's really cool. Probably one of the biggest hotel rooms I ever stayed at before. And let me show you the balcony here. So the balcony is having a table over here. And you have this massive view on the golf course. Of course, they have a pool here. The golf course is really cool. This balcony is really big. Like I said, I'm alone here, so it's fun to enjoy, but it's not nice if you have many people here, of course. But yeah, it's pretty nice. It's good to walk around this golf course too. You can see people play, you can have fun. Just exercise a lot outside, it's really nice. So yeah, that's the hotel room tour. Hope you like it. Alright, so I rented a car yesterday and came to this hotel here today. It was a lot of traffic yesterday, so I didn't want to have to drive in the traffic to go outside of Bangkok. But today I'm going to Hua Hin, a beach city that I've been to a couple of times. It's a really nice place to go. So I'm going to drive there today. It's about a 2-3 hours drive from here. Maybe more, it's a bit far from this place. So I'll be driving there, I'll bring you around and show you how that looks like. The Thai roads are pretty crazy to drive on. I'm kind of used to it now. I've been driving a lot around Thailand for the past few weeks, and it's just a cool thing to do. I even got my driving license here in Thailand, so that's cool to have. And yeah, so let me pack things up and we'll head out and I'll show you the car and drive to Hua Hin with you. Alright, so I got to the resort here in Hua Hin yesterday. Here's my car. I've been taking it slow yesterday and today too, trying to relax a little bit. And this is what the room looks like. It's really kind of old Thai style, but it's kind of nice. Check out the phone. This is really funny, but it's a pretty nice room. It's pretty big. I have my place to work here, put my laptop there before, and outside is also pretty nice. Got a pretty cool view for the day and nighttime too. Alright, so hope you like this video today. Hope you like this kind of format. I've been teaching things in the morning, bringing you here to travel with me in the afternoon a little bit. Not that much because I was driving most of the time anyway. Leave me your thoughts in the comment section as always. I'll do my best to reply to your comment if I can, and I'll read all of them for sure. Here are some other videos on screen you can watch next because they're really powerful and really good for developing your skill as a trader. And I'll catch you back here in the next video pretty soon. Ciao.